Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker USA, and in this video we want to talk to you about the Ultimate Residential Kit and what it consists of. The heart of the kit is our Tucker Rival Basic 4-stage water-fed purification system. This consists of a combo sediment and carbon filter with chloramine killer, which then moves to your reverse osmosis membrane and then into your deionization. All of our RODI systems, you'll get your first set of replacement of your pre-filter and your post-filter. Moving on from your purification system, next we'll go into the hose reel. This is a 150-foot 3/8 line hose reel for your pure water, so you would connect this to the output of your system. This features a way to lock your reel when in use. You simply put it there and you can stop it from rolling. It also features a way to tighten or loosen it. Moving on from your hose reel, in addition to the 150 feet that you have here, you have 100 feet of pole tubing, which is 5/16. So all you need to do is have your female quick connect. This will connect to your hose reel, and then you would add your click in your male quick connect, and that will then go into your pole tubing. We also supply you with a 5/16 ball valve. This is something you can splice into your pole tubing if you want to have the capability of shutting off your water without having to go to the system or the water source. You can splice this in and then shut it off when you're close to your work. Moving on to the water-fed poles. In this kit, you get 2 water-fed poles. First one we want to highlight is our Tucker 30. So this is a water-fed pole that has a 30-foot reach. So certainly work on majority of the residential homes. And in the case you are going to be working on a home that's maybe single story, you could also use the Tucker Junior. So this has a 15-foot reach and also has the capability with both poles to use it for water fed, or if you want to use on, say, on the interior, add this on there. This is your Acme tip. Put on your wood cone, and then you can slide on your T-scrubber or squeegee, and this is friction fit and it won't come off. Moving on from your water-fed poles, we want to go into the water-fed pole accessories and brushes. So it'll come with the Tucker locked gooseneck with a reach around adapter. This is also another Acme tip. So this would slide into your first clamp. Simply lock it into place. And then you can attach whatever water-fed brush you prefer. Lock it into place. Also, you will have our mini scrubber, which has a walnut pad already on it, and it comes with an extra pad. And you can screw this on to the back here. So if you ever encounter windows that have stuck on debris, bird droppings, what have you, you could wet the window and scrub on that debris with the walnut pad. It will remove that debris and then go back to cleaning as normal. Another option with your water-fed pole brushes is that you'll get our Tucker rinse bar and Tucker swivel. So any of these brushes could then be swapped out to an alpha brush. Next, we want to go into the brushes that come with this kit. So when you're out doing residential work, you might have some repeat cleans. You might have some that have infrequent cleans, or maybe they haven't been touched in a number of years. So with that, you'll want to have different variety of brushes for each of those applications. So the first one we have is your Tucker nylon brush. So we already have attached to this locked gooseneck. So it's both material is nylon. This is a little stiffer of a scrub than nylon we've had in the past. So this is our updated nylon brush. Moving on, we have our what's called our Tucker Hybrid. So it's nylon on the outside, and on the inside, this has a boar hair, and the boar hair will allow you to scrub a little harder while you still maintain the speed of having of the nylon on the outside. So it's not as aggressive as our Tucker full bore hair. This is great for those infrequent cleans or haven't been cleaned in a long time. Boar hair does a nice job of scrubbing those windows well. We are now including our latest brush, the Tucker Glide brush. And so it will have similarities to the boar hair in scrubbing power. What you won't have are the maybe what you call the negative effects of boar hair, which is shedding. Also, it won't drag on the glass as boar hair. So you have scrubbing, great scrubbing, but it's going to glide across the glass. And lastly, we do have our Alpha scrubber. So this is our standard size scrubber. So it comes with the swivel gooseneck and the rinse bar already installed. And these are removable polyester pads. So these would be great for scrubbing on glass that hasn't been once again cleaned in a while. This is very effective as well. Also, if you might have solar panels up there, also skylights does well with that. Often those panels of either solar panels or skylights are a little more baked on with dust and debris. So having this scrubber is a great feature. So that is it. That is what's in your residential kit. If you have any more questions about this kit, feel free to reach out to us at tuckerusa.com. Have a great day.